Hey,
Long time no see.
long time no see.
How are you?
I'm good. And you?
I'm fine.
How many years? How many years has it been? I didn't expect to run into your house.
Seriously?
Yes.
The last time we met was after graduation, right?
Yes.
What are you up to these days?
I'm running my own. I'm running my own business now as a digital agent. We focus on site and social media content.
Wow, amazing.
Yes.
That's awesome. So you are the boss now?
Something like that. Still learning along the way. The team is small, but we're going steadily. What about you?
I'm still freelance. I work mostly with content design feeds, presentations, and stuff like that.
No way. We can't definitely work together. I often need help with design whenever.
Really?
Yes,
I mean, you see my drive relevant.
we'll do let's exchange contact again to get in touch.
Sure. Really great to see you again, Riga.
See you